Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to look at this. So this is the 1968 Mustang, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Tooned series. So let's open and see how it looks. So I personally love the Tooned series actually. So this looks really kind of funky and at the same time really cool. Okay. Okay, let me say this, this looks really awesome. So it doesn't have any interiors like, any seats or anything. It's just empty inside. But the casting and everything looks really cool. This looks great. Really, really awesome. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.